What I've also seen is there's a fine line between governance and surveillance. Right? You don't want to cap your SE's creative juices. And I think the moment SEs start feeling like AI is being used to monitor them, how do you then set guardrails?
Yeah, I think the single most important thing any leader can do is for, whether it's an AI tool or some sort of a data project or some sort of a activity tracking thing, it's explaining the why, right? Once the team understands why it's needed, how it moves a business, the confusion and resistance fades away. So, roll a tool out with no why, and people will fill the vacuum with the worst assumption. We recently rolled out a conversational intelligence tool, and it was early on just met with so mistrust and fear and skepticism because, hey, is everyone going to be watching, listening to our chats? What about our one-on-ones? Like, do all those go into a place where people can listen to those? And what if I make a mistake on a customer call? And that's just fear, and it comes out of assuming the worst. So what we did was we then got on calls with the rest of the organization, and we really explained, we tackled this head on. We said, hey, here's what's going to happen. Your calls are going to be recorded, but the intention is not to use that to make you a scapegoat. The intention is to use that to make ourselves better, to make our products better, to learn more about our customers' experience, and to make sure, how do we go from point A to point B in a progressive way.